Oh no, everybody, look, I got a leak. Let's see what it is.
Alright, if any of you guys have an older Silverado, like I have right here, this is a 2001, and if you guys have a connector hose that looks like this, it's probably rotted and broke off into your hose by now. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. It's very simple actually. So go to your auto parts store. I went to AutoZone and picked this up. This is part number 37000. And also pick up the heater hose connector assembly. And inside this heater hose connector, there are tabs. What that part 37000 does is push all those tabs in so you could slide this on over the pipe. All right, let me do a little demonstration for you. So pretend that's on a pipe. See those tabs in there? You push it on, and it pops in all them little tabs, and you could slide it on or slide the other one off. Alright, as you can see, I have that white little adapter behind that. All I'm going to do is slide it up in that old piece that's broke off. Something like that. Come on, get it, get it. Alright, let me put the camera down so I can do it. Alright, I got it slid up in there. So that's what it should look like. So now, when you grab a hold of it and pull it, it should pop right off of that pipe that's in there. So let's see. Come on now. Just like that. And that's the old one. And now you just slide the other one on. And it's easy as that. Alright, before you put the other one on, rub a little bit of silicone or oil. I use oil. I don't know. You do what you want. Everyone's gonna hate on me for rubbing motor oil in on this little O-ring, but you want it lubed up just so when you slide on the that pipe that it came off of, it don't mess up the O-ring. So come over here, get on back in there, put it right there, and push it, and you should hear all the clips clip on after it goes past the lip on that pipe. And once it clips on, give it a few tugs, make sure it's on there. Put the hose back on, do the same thing to the other side, and you are good to go. If this helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And thank you for watching my video.